Okay, hello everyone. This is Willie here, and I want to give you an update on the Willie Box Trade Copier program. In particular, especially the fact that we're able to place tighter stops than we have been in the past. Okay, so we've been on the roll in the last 7 weeks. You can see that year to date we're up 1.1%. But more importantly, let me scroll down to the bottom here. You can see that in August, we ended up 2.3%. This is trading 1% risk. And for September, with still another 4 more days to close out the month, we're up 4.2%. Now, as we scroll up, you can see that these are the individual trades that have been placed throughout September. And you can see that the biggest thing glaring that you will see is there are 4 losing trades. And the losing trades are quite small now. In the past, my default stops were set at minus 22 pips, and you can see that they're 13, 11, there's a 17 and a 9. Okay, so this is a major change because I'm now able to take and initiate Willie Box trades with a much tighter stop than in the past. In fact, to illustrate that, I'll show you the trade that we took today. Today is Monday, September 24. There were 2 setups on the Euro US dollar. The first trade setup was the one we actually took here. From the Asian session, price cycled down and then cycled up. And I used the turquoise box here to launch our first trade. You can see that it's a very tight stop, 10 pip stop. We took it short at 129.45 here. We triggered. We're up 5 pips right away. And then you can see here it came within 1 pip of my stop and eventually went down to hit my eventual target of 15 pips. Okay, although we took it out at plus 11 prior to the open of London. And then the second setup was at the open of London, price went up. And you can see here that my possible sell was 129.57 with a 17-point stop. And this trade, I wasn't able to take it. It kind of went so fast. But the Willie Box expert advisor, you can see here that I've had this now for about a month. It took me about 3 months to write down the code and have this professionally programmed, and it's going very well. It actually gives you the entry price, the sell price, the stop, and also the target. You can see that right now the next entry price is at 128.95 here at the break of this next swing low. But the Willie Box trade caught it here, identified the break of this swing low, all automated, and that has really helped the performance as well. So next I want to share with you an Excel sheet for our trades in August as well as September. Okay, what you see here is a listing of all the Willie Box trades in the last 7 weeks, starting with August. You can see how I have initially the an original stop, original target, and then I trail the stop to tighten it. Okay, the main thing, and by the way, the green ones are winning trades, the pink ones are stop outs or losing trades. So you can see that in the first week of August we generated 10 trades, net 53 pips. But here's the interesting thing now. And in the past my stops were always set at minus 22. Now it's minus 16, and the final stop after I trail it is only minus 11. I've reduced the risk. By the way, this particular week we won 80% of the trades. So the second week of August, same thing, we won 60% of the trades. Our initial stop is now 15 and final stop 14. Okay, and then we go to the third week of August. The initial stop is 11 and the final stop is initial stop of 14 pips, final stop 11 pips. We won 53%. And then the final week of August, we only won 50%, but the initial stop was 14, the final stop was 11. So you can see for the whole month, we are now able to tighten our stops, averaging minus 15 initially and ending up with minus 12, right? And let's take a look at the month of September. September actually improves even compared to August. So these are the trades for the first week of September. You can see that there's 3 losing trades here, and one particular trade here had went through our stop. Our stop was only 14, but I think this was some British pound news. It went through my stop, exceeded it by 15 pips, but you know, it doesn't matter. These things happen anyway. So with that, the initial stop was 14, final stop was 12 still. And the second week of September, the initial stop is 13, final stop is -10, also winning 67% of the trades. Okay, by the way, the first week of September, I forgot to mention, we won 75% of our trades. And for the third week of September, we had kind of a positive, a very good week, but light in trading. I was actually sick one day, and then the second day I had some internet outage issues. And on Friday, there were no trades. We sat here and didn't trade because it was too choppy. So we generated 100% win rate, but only 3 trades. But look at this. The initial stop is 13 pips. Okay, so with that, the reason I'm sending this video out to all our loyal WillieBox team members is that I am now able to increase your position size and at the same time maintaining the same maximum percent risk per trade. Okay, so I'll be following up with an email to each and every one of you to give you your new position sizes. And I'm very excited about the future of the WillieBox program. And again, my goal is about 5% per month. So we'll see how we do for September and beyond.